Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak and today I am back with an amazing topic which is known as multiplication. I know you guys have studied this topic earlier in your first, second, third standard, and in the fourth standard you will be firstly we'll be revising the topic that what is multiplication. We will be doing the basics of multiplication and then we'll be moving to the facts about multiplication. Okay, so we'll start with the first topic, that is multiplication and its basics. Moving on to a first topic, that is multiplication and its basics. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is the basic arithmetic operation which can also be termed as repeated addition. Like say we need to multiply 23 multiplied by 2. So first of all I'll tell you what is the number 23 called over here. 23, we write over this way, 23 to 2. 23 is known as multiplicand and this one is known as multiplier. Okay, and as we got the product, 3 to the 6, 2 to the is 4. 46 is the product of this number. And like say if we need to do the same thing by the method which is known as repeated addition. How we'll do this? 23 2 times. So we'll write 23 2 times. 23 plus 23. 3 and 3 is 6. 2 and 2 is 4. In this manner we can always say that multiplication is repeated addition. We'll try one more example. So moving on to the second example, let's take a number 1296 multiplied by 3. Okay. First we can do it directly. 6 3 is 18, 8, carry 1. 9 6 27, 21 28, carry 2. 3 to the 6 and 2 is 8. 3 1 is 3. Right. But if you want to do this with a method known as repeated addition, how we do this? We need to keep in mind the number which is the multiplier. How many times the multiplier is there? It's written 3 over here. So we will write 1296 3 times. 1296 1296. Okay? 6 6 6 18. 6 to 6 12, 12 and 2 12 6 is 18. Carry 1. 27 and 28. 8 and 3. So you got the same answer, you can see 3 and 3 times 8, 3888. So these two answers tell you, which means that multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay. So moving on to a second topic, that is facts about multiplication. So fact number 1, any number multiplied by 0 gives the number 0 itself. There are many tricks, many questions when we say 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 7 into 1 plus 1 minus 1, 3 into 6 into 4 into 0 is equals to what? No matter how many numbers we said before the number 0, but as you multiplied it with the number 0, we got the answer 0. That is the most easiest question which people used to ask. That is basically they are applying this trick that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. See, first I'll write it. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Let's see if you multiply 239 with 0. So we got this answer as 0. No calculation, nothing. Just one fact that any number multiplied by 0 would be 0 itself. So moving on to a fact number 2, that is a number when multiplied by 1 gives the number itself. Let's say if you multiply 2, 3, 9, 4, 6, 2, 9 by 1, we'll get 9 ones are 9, 2 ones are 2, 6 ones are 6, 4 ones are 4, 9 ones are 9, 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. You can see that this number is completely same as this number. So justifying this fact that a number when multiplied by 1 would always give the number itself. Yeah. Moving on to a third fact which people also say it's a trick. I'll tell you what is it. A number when multiplied by 10 can and will give an answer which is equals to number plus 0 at the end. I'll explain you how. Let's say if the number is 239. If you multiply the number by 10, we'll get the answer is 239 and we'll put 0 over this place. So we got the number 2390, which is 2390. Okay? I would say this is one most very common thing which every student and every child used to confuse. Sir, how can you multiply a number 10 so easily? I always used to say to them, a number might be 10, 100 or 1000. These are the most easiest numbers to be multiplied with. Let's say the number is 239 again. We multiplied by 10, we got the answer 2390. If the number is multiplied by 100, we will get the number 23900. As 2 zeros are over here, so we write 20 over here. And the same number multiplied by 1000, we write 23900 and 0. 3 zeros and 3 zeros. So, in this way, we conclude a third fact and the last topic of our today's. So today's homework for you guys is this, that you need to solve 10 sums in which you need to multiply a number that is 4-digit number. Let's say the number is 4 digits with 1 digit. Let's say the number is 2396 multiplied by 4. Such 10 sums you need to do in your homework, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.